It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback, like this. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job, as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.